Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm the Crypto Lifer. Hope you're having a good morning, day, afternoon, night, no matter where you are in the world. If you like my content and the vibe that I provide, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and don't forget to hit that like button, and please leave a comment. I absolutely love reading the comments. Today, I have a sponsored video for you. Celsius reached out to me and said, we're starting a new project. It's called CelsiusX. I want to break it down. I want to show you the details. I want to get you involved in this new amazing frontier of DeFi. And Celsius has been an amazing project from the start. I like to see what they're going to do now. Let's jump in to CelsiusX. One thing I do have to disclose is I am not a financial advisor. Nothing I do and say on this channel should be taken as financial advice. Please get yourself a financial advisor and do your own due diligence before getting into any project, coin, or trade. So here we are at CelsiusX, the DeFi arm of the Celsius network. Their mission is to build an infrastructure to seamlessly build CeFi and DeFi together. They have a wrapped token platform. Using wrapped tokens to bridge blockchain ecosystems, wrapped tokens provide access to DeFi opportunities across all blockchains with no fees to users. They even have a cross-chain liquidity bridge, connecting CeFi and DeFi by providing blockchain agnostic liquidity and interoperability. You could basically get the liquidity from either one depending on how you're doing it. That's going to help both, honestly, because everyone needs more liquidity. You know, I always talk about cross-chain on my platform and on my channel. It's always cross-chain. When I look at a coin and I don't see multiple addresses for multiple chains, I'm like, eh. So cross-chain is where it needs to be. I love that Celsius is moving in this direction, and I love they have this new project out. This is awesome. Look at this. They even have actively managed stablecoins, bringing together the vision of algorithmic stablecoins with the auditability of fully backed stablecoins in a new hybrid model. Pretty cool. Then there's proof of community, providing transparency and real-time auditability by leveraging cryptography in partnership with industry leaders. So right now the project's not ready. They just have the website, but they wanted to get the word out there. They really wanted to promote this, so when it was ready, you could dive right in. So there's CelsiusX for you. Check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Know that I go live every single day on my channel, Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday nights at 8 p.m. I also do one-on-one tutoring and have an amazing trading group. The links are all below my videos. I'd greatly appreciate it if you check them out. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications so you can find out when I post my next video. And remember, if you came to the channel, then you're already doing the right thing. Crypto is life.